All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything HBAR, understanding what's happening with HBAR's price, and of course, what we could be expecting going further into Sunday morning. I apologize I wasn't able to give you guys an update, obviously during Saturday. I honestly kind of decided to take a day off. I only made an update on Pepe because, Pepe was doing something that was worthwhile noting. But pretty much after that, I just decided to kind of take a complete day off. And it's very important to kind of give yourself a break as well, even when the market is extremely bullish. But if you're looking across the board, you are seeing, some coins up quite a bit. Some are seeing a little bit of a retracement, as we can see. As far as HBAR is concerned right now, HBAR is currently sitting at 33.3 cents, down 0.1% in USD, down 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about 12.78 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $1.9 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the dominance index, are we even surprised at this fact? The fact that, we are seeing the dominance continuing to fall day in, day out. That hasn't changed at all. And, we're continuing to see this number, going down, which is amazing to see, of course, especially if you're an altcoin holder. And speaking about altcoins, look at the last 1 week, you're seeing the market, picking up, away from that retracement that we have seen. Of course, the daily time frame looking amazing as well. Even though we're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, we just cannot be forgetting what has been happening for the broader market over the course of the last few days. But if you're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin has been ranging around, this $100,000 price point. It either goes above 100,000 or it just goes briefly below it, but you are seeing a consolidation for Bitcoin around this range, and I'm totally okay with that. I did mention this in some of my other updates. If Bitcoin even decides to, trade sideways for, the next 1 or 2 weeks, that's totally fine. I think this is going to cause dominance to fall even lower and will, give altcoins a chance, to move up more. And I think we are about to see a major altcoin rally. And speaking about a major altcoin rally, I kind of want to backtrack a little bit. Are we just going to forget that, we're in an altcoin rally? When people are just completely ignoring that, this is an altcoin season, what you're seeing right now. Of course, the next leg up is what I'm referring to, and I think that could really be coming if dominance, drops this upcoming week. And I think, we could potentially see a very exciting time. I do believe in the next 3 weeks, we have about 3 weeks left until the year comes to an end. I do project that, we are going to see market pumping, and then obviously leading into the New Year's, we do see the market kind of cooling off. But let me know your thoughts down below as to what you personally think. But let's take a look at what's happening with HBAR's price right now, because I know a lot of people are like, Crypto ZX, can you just talk about the price already? I'll do that, guys. So first, I want to show you guys the daily time frame to make you guys understand what's happening with HBAR right now. So you guys can pretty much see, HBAR's price is back, obviously in the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. Hasn't really made its way back in the 38.2, still hanging in the 0.50, but I want you guys to shift our focus towards the hourly and really understand what's happening. So if you're looking at it on the hourly time frame, you are looking at that retest above, the 38.2. We went up to the likes of that 37.6 cents and never managed to see that close. You could see we never really closed above there, retested it yet again. Something I expected. Remember, if you watch my updates around this range, I was talking about that, HBAR will retest this key resistance. And here we are, obviously now noting, the significance of that key resistance because, we popped out of there, rejected, and we're finding ourselves back. And, this was a resistance as we were breaking towards the upside. That exact same level around the 33 cents is playing as a level of support, which is amazing to see. But yeah, you do want to see, these types of moves. If you're looking at, just the move itself from December 6th, if you picked up the bloodbath, which was around 27.8 cents, you did see HBAR go up 35%. Yes, guys, you're not making this up. Chart speaks for itself. You saw the price of HBAR pumping up 35% in a matter of just a few hours, as the market, picked up traction. And right now you're seeing a nice consolidation below the 38.2, but the target remains to be the same, which is the 38.2. If we're able to see that close, like I said, we haven't seen that close yet. If we are able to see that close into the 38.2, I think we could start heading towards the likes of, the new yearly high, especially, the 23.6 key resistance, which is something that I've been referring, quite a bit on my channel, which is around the 44 cents price point. But one step at a time, so far so good. I like the consolidation that we're kind of seeing within the 0.50. If we kind of go backtrack and take a look at the historic price patterns, yeah, after this key resistance, guys, we are in the 38.2 pretty much. Yeah, and of course, we have seen several retests which were rejected. And if you're seeing the close in this range, I think that would be the biggest catalyst that, the price of HBAR could start making its way up to, the all-time high territory, which is, again, going to leave a lot of people speechless. And speaking about leaving people speechless, there's a lot of people already left speechless from November 7th. If you picked up HBAR, you did see HBAR go up 727%. So, I don't want to hear anything, especially the fudders that are going to come out and say, HBAR hasn't done anything. I really hope you understand what it has been able to do over the course of the last 3 to 4 weeks, and that tells you everything you need to know. But so far so good. I'm really liking this momentum for HBAR along with a lot of other altcoins. Pay very close attention to the dominance index. Let's see what it does tomorrow, and obviously going into a brand new week. And yeah, so far so good. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know your predictions down below. Where do you see HBAR going? And let me know your strategy. That's what I want to know from you guys in the comments. Where do you see HBAR's price going in the long run? And is that your strategy? Holding a long term or even a short term? What kind of a trader are you? I would love to know your thoughts down below. Love each and every one of you guys. Not a trader. What type of investor are you? That's the right term. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.